To create a new product, go to your seller dashboard and click on products. Here you can click add new product, which will create a new pop-up window where you can add your product's name, your product price. You can also put it on a sale price. From there, we want to add a category. A category is the subject that your resource falls into, so whether it be well-being, design and technology, maths, science, etc. Click done. Here you can also add in tags. For this one, we're just going to add in well-being. You can also add specific subject areas or critical creative thinking, math, printables, whatever you like. Then we're going to add the image. So click on the image and drag and drop it to your media file. I also like to add in the name of the product into the alt tag, caption and description. This helps with SEO. And next, this is the short description area. So this is going to show up at the top of the page where people can click add to cart. So you just want a couple of sentences here and we can add the full description shortly. Click create product. Product is now created. And then we want to go in and add our final edits. So it's going to sit in as pending review. We always want it to be a simple product. Now I'm ticking virtual here. We always want to tick virtual and downloadable. That is really important to tick virtual, otherwise it's going to try and ship the product. Again, you can add additional categories or subject areas from here. Once you click them, click done. You can add multiple ones in there if you wish. If you want to add extra tags, you can also do so. Now that's the short description that we spoke about briefly before. Now we're going to add the long description, which is the remainder of the description where people can have a more thorough read of your product. If you can't see it all when you want to edit it, you can also drag and increase the window size. And going down the page, we don't need to adjust inventory. However, we do need to add the downloadable file. I just keep this simple and keep it the same name as the product. Then when people are looking for it, it's easy for them to find and they know what they're looking for. Now we want to choose a file, so you can drag and drop any type of file over. Ideally, if you have more than one file, you need to zip it up into a zipped product, and that will make it easier for the user to download it in one go. Download limit, don't touch this one as it is automatically set so that customers don't run out of downloads. Attributes, this is where the filters are set up, so this is really important. So the best ones to add is year level. So if it's high school, year 3, year 4, year 11, year 12, make sure that that's added in there. That will help users find your product. The second one that's really important is resource type. So if you have a scaffold or posters or printables or assignments, this is where you need to add it. So this is how people are going to find your product also. Another one that you can add is your formats included, and that will let the purchaser know if it's a PDF or a PowerPoint or whatever other file type that you wish to choose. From there, click Save Product, and you're ready to go. You can also check how it shows on the front end. So once it's past pending, you'll get the permalink that you can click on. So you can see here, this is the short description showing on the front end. This is all our attributes that we just added in, the year levels, the resource types. Your tags are also displayed there, and then you've got your large description.